Ready? Yeah. All right. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me. This is going to be a real quick video. Just going to be unboxing my exhaust. Like you've probably seen, it's a Borla ATAK. If not, there you go. People always ask me what exhaust I have on the car, and you know, I personally like Borla. I think Corsa is also a really good exhaust for the Coyote. Sounds great. But I'm running Borla. I'm running a full Borla ATAK catback for the 99-04. It fit like a charm, so I'm just going to show you the unboxing, what was all included and stuff like that. The install is pretty straightforward. You're just going to bolt these pipes right up to your X pipe or whatever mid pipe you choose. And since this is for this car, it goes straight back to the anchor points and everything. So there's nothing really special in the install. But if I have the footage of it, I'll also make a video for that. But yeah, thanks for joining us. Like, comment, subscribe, man. And let's get into this unboxing. So here's the box from Borla. And I bought these off of American Muscle, and it's the Borla ATAK catback. I actually had in the past a 13 GT, and I had the Borla ATAK on that, and it sounded really good. I'm not sure it'll sound the same. I'm not sure if there's any difference between, because obviously this is made for the 99-04, so I'm not sure if there's any difference there, but I still like Borla. I think their exhaust is really good. Honestly, between them and maybe Corsa, you can't do any wrong with those two for sure. They have really good exhaust systems. So here's the other section of those pipes. So this is obviously the piece that connects to the mid pipe and the muffler here. As you can see, it has Borla ATAK embossed in it. And same here, this is just the left side. So connects up to the mid pipe here. And then this area here will go over the axle and actually connect to this tailpipe section. So, yep, so that's really all that was in the box. Wasn't expecting to get a free hat, so that was a cool little bonus, I guess. So maybe you'll see me in my Borla hat, I don't know. And then also here's just the clamps and stuff for the exhaust. I guess it doesn't come with hangers, but that shouldn't be a problem. The ones on my car should be pretty good. I just put new hangers on there maybe a couple years back, 5 or 6 years ago, when I put on the dual exhaust on the V6. So they should still be in good shape. Just have to make sure not to damage them taking the stuff off.